Wearable technology is entering an exciting new era with the arrival of AI-powered smart glasses. Over the coming weeks, 5 innovative models are expected to launch, each offering advanced features and unique capabilities. From immersive augmented reality displays to intelligent AI assistants that provide navigation, real-time translation, and hands-free productivity, these smart glasses are designed to integrate naturally into everyday life. They combine cutting-edge technology with stylish designs, making them practical for work, travel, and entertainment. Whether you're passionate about emerging technology or simply curious about the future, these upcoming AI smart glasses offer a fascinating preview of tomorrow's connected lifestyle. The Maverick AI Pro by Everysight is emerging as one of the most practical and user-friendly AI smart glasses in the latest generation of wearable technology. One of its biggest strengths is its lightweight design, weighing only about 43 to 47 grams, making it feel much like a regular pair of glasses. This comfortable form factor allows for extended wear without the bulk commonly associated with augmented reality headsets. Equipped with a high-brightness Sony micro-OLED display, the glasses project vibrant full-color visuals directly into your field of view, delivering navigation, notifications, and useful information without interrupting your surroundings. The built-in AI is equally impressive, using a forward-facing camera to recognize objects, analyze scenes, and provide real-time contextual assistance. Eye-tracking technology, gesture controls, and integrated speakers create an intuitive, hands-free experience that feels natural in everyday use. Additional sensors, including a 3D accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer, ensure precise head tracking for smooth and stable augmented reality performance. Battery life is expected to last between 8 and 10 hours on a single charge, providing enough power for a full day of typical use. With an anticipated starting price of around $300, the Maverick AI Pro offers an attractive balance of affordability, advanced features, comfort, and practicality, positioning it as a promising option for anyone interested in the future of AI-powered wearable technology. The Inmo Go 3 takes a refreshingly practical approach to AI smart glasses, prioritizing everyday functionality over flashy augmented reality experiences. At first glance, they resemble a standard pair of eyeglasses, allowing users to wear them comfortably without drawing attention. Weighing approximately 53 to 58 grams, they are light enough for extended daily use while maintaining a natural feel. The glasses feature a binocular micro-LED display with a 30-degree field of view, providing crisp visuals for navigation, notifications, text, and other essential information rather than immersive entertainment. Their greatest strength lies in their AI-powered capabilities. The Inmo Go 3 supports real-time translation in up to 98 languages, displays live subtitles during conversations, offers a teleprompter mode for presentations, and can even generate meeting summaries, making it an excellent companion for travel, work, and communication. Instead of operating independently, the glasses connect to a smartphone via Bluetooth, functioning as an intelligent extension of your mobile device. Users can interact through touch controls, voice commands, or an optional smart ring controller, creating a convenient hands-free experience. Power management is equally impressive, thanks to swappable 270 mAh batteries and a portable charging case that minimizes downtime and extends usage throughout the day. Expected to start at around $420, with promotional bundles available for slightly higher prices including accessories, the Inmo Go 3 delivers strong value. Rather than replacing your smartphone, these glasses are designed to simplify everyday tasks, improve productivity, and seamlessly integrate AI assistance into daily life in a subtle and practical way. The RayNeo Air 4 Pro is more than just another pair of AI glasses. It delivers a portable entertainment experience that feels like carrying a giant personal display wherever you go. From the outside, the glasses resemble a stylish pair of sunglasses, but once worn, they project a virtual screen of up to 201 inches using dual 0.6-inch micro-OLED displays. HDR10 support produces vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and impressive contrast, creating a cinematic viewing experience that stands out in its class. Powering the visuals is the Vision 4000 chip, which enhances image quality in real time, converts standard SDR content into HDR, and even supports 2D to 3D playback for greater immersion. The displays offer Full HD 1080p resolution per eye, a smooth refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, brightness reaching approximately 1200 nits, and an outstanding 200,000 to 1 contrast ratio. Audio quality is equally impressive, thanks to Bang & Olufsen tuned speakers that deliver rich clear sound without requiring separate headphones. Despite packing advanced technology, the glasses weigh only about 76 grams, making them comfortable enough for extended viewing sessions, although they are slightly bulkier than standard eyewear. Rather than operating independently, the RayNeo Air 4 Pro connects to compatible devices through USB-C, functioning primarily as a premium wearable display. With an expected price between $250 and $300, it offers exceptional value for its feature set. Overall, the RayNeo Air 4 Pro successfully combines AI-enhanced visuals, immersive entertainment, premium audio, and everyday practicality, making it one of the most compelling wearable displays available today. The Rokid AI glasses style takes a unique approach to smart eyewear by focusing on artificial intelligence rather than augmented reality displays. Instead of projecting digital visuals into your field of view, these glasses deliver a lightweight AI-powered experience that feels much closer to wearing ordinary eyewear. Weighing just 38.5 grams, they are exceptionally comfortable for all-day use without the bulk often associated with smart glasses. A built-in 12-megapixel Sony camera captures high-quality 4K video from your perspective, making it easy to record everyday moments hands-free. Rather than including a display, the glasses rely on voice interaction, open-ear speakers, and AI assistants such as ChatGPT to provide real-time translation, navigation, information searches, and other useful everyday tasks. This display-free design helps maximize battery efficiency while maintaining a sleek, minimalist appearance. Powered by a dual-chip architecture, the Rokid AI glasses style delivers smooth AI performance while achieving up to 12 hours of battery life on a single charge. Modern connectivity features, including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensure fast and reliable communication with your smartphone, while customizable prescription lenses make them suitable for daily wear. Starting at approximately $299, with premium packages available for custom lenses and additional accessories, the Rokid AI glasses style offers an affordable entry into AI-powered wearables. Instead of trying to replace your smartphone, they quietly enhance your daily routine with practical intelligence, comfort, and effortless hands-free convenience. The MemoMind smart glasses represent a thoughtful new direction for AI-powered wearables, emphasizing practicality, comfort, and seamless integration into everyday life. Developed by XGIMI, these glasses are designed to look and feel like ordinary eyewear rather than futuristic gadgets. Weighing as little as 45 grams, they are available in multiple frame styles with full prescription lens support, making them comfortable enough for all-day use. Instead of overwhelming users with flashy visuals, MemoMind employs advanced waveguide display technology to discreetly present notifications, navigation, reminders, and other essential information directly within your field of view. One of its most innovative features is a multi-LLM AI system that intelligently switches between platforms such as OpenAI, Azure, and Qwen to deliver the best results for tasks like real-time translation, meeting summaries, note-taking, and productivity assistance. Unlike many competing smart glasses, MemoMind intentionally omits a built-in camera, prioritizing user privacy and creating a more socially comfortable experience. Battery performance is equally impressive, providing up to 16 hours of operation, while optional charging cases extend usage even further for users on the go. Selected models also feature Harman Kardon-tuned speakers that produce rich, high-quality audio without requiring additional headphones. Expected to start at approximately $600, the MemoMind smart glasses are positioned in the premium segment. Rather than showcasing technology for its own sake, they focus on delivering intelligent assistance in a subtle, elegant way, making them one of the most promising AI smart glasses arriving soon.